Another Banks production. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Oh my gosh, my space looks so crazy. So we're going to do something different on this episode of Chair Talk. We are going to be cleaning up my office/salon space, and this should be very fun. But let's get into it because we have a lot of work to do, and it looks crazy now, but just stick with me. It's gonna be real clean at the end. All right, so we're gonna start with putting away some of these hot tools. I've been super busy over the past week, so I've been doing a lot of content, so I haven't been able to just like do a thorough cleaning, but we are today. We finna do a thorough cleaning today, okay? So I like to wrap my cords up like this, as you can see, and just tie them together with a rubber band because wrapping them up this way, it helps your cord not short out. If you wrap it like around the hot tool, your cord kind of gives out and then you'll have to buy a new one. So I like doing it this way because it extends the life of my hot tools, and some of these tools I've had for years. So yep, we're just gonna put them back into their space, and we are going to move over to our combs and our brushes. I have so many combs, so many brushes, so this part might take the longest. So I might end up probably doing some of this off camera too. And then next, we're just going to rework some of my products that I've been using, get everything all nice and cleaned up, stacked. Oh, and we're going to empty our barbicide, guys. We have to change that barbicide. Our barbicide should be changed every day, okay? And now I am going to clean my combs. First, we're going to rinse them, get, some of that product off, rinse them in like hot water, like super hot water, and then put them in the soap and water first, because you never want to put your combs or brushes straight into the barbicide, because it's not going to do any justice. It's going to disinfect, but it's not going to completely disinfect. So you want to make sure that you are cleaning, get all that hair. Ugh, look at that. It's just crazy. Getting all that hair out of those combs, out of those brushes before you put it into the barbicide. Okay, next we're going to get our barbicide mixture together. Don't ask me what the ratio is. I usually pour until the ancestors tell me to stop. And when they tell me to stop, then that's enough. But usually a small bottle like this, I end up using about half of it because I have a lot of combs and brushes that need to be cleaned today. And FYI, barbicide is an antifungal. It's like a viricide. It's also a complete disinfectant for your combs. Like when I say it gets rid of all the germs and bacteria, it gets rid of all the germs and the bacteria, okay? It's the closest thing you'll get to sterilization. And yeah, so we're just gonna make sure that all of them are nicely coated in that barbicide, and I'm going to also prepare a mixture in my barbicide jar as well, to place my combs in when I'm doing hair. Okay, so I had to go change and get into something comfortable because this started to become a project. Since now that my combs, brushes, and tools and things are soaking and getting disinfected in the barbicide, I'm going to organize my color and take some inventory because I'm pretty sure that I need some more color and some more products. So let's do that next. When I'm cleaning my salon, I don't just, clean my salon. I also do inventory checks too, because it just is an easy way for me to keep up with the products that I need. So as I clean, I just go through all of my products to see what I have left, to see what's empty. Anything empty, throw it away, get it out of there, because when I'm busy, I don't have time all the time to throw away like all of the empty bottles and things like that. So this is a good way to really reorganize your inventory. Do it while you're cleaning so you can get it done and get it out of the way. And one thing I can't stand is a dirty mirror, y'all. Oh my God. I can't stand dirty mirrors. Oh my gosh. And always clean your seats because, yeah. And I love this hamper, y'all. I got this from Walmart, but I can't remember what brand it is. You could literally just like pick the whole thing up and wash the whole thing. And I love that. It's a complete lifesaver, okay? And while my towels are washing, I'm going to go finish up the cleaning process. All right, y'all, so I pretty much got everything swept up, organized, put away. Next, I'm about to go get the combs and the brushes, rinse those off, let them air dry. By the time they air dry, it should be time to put them away, mop these floors, and then we done for the night because your girl is tired. I'm ready to go to bed, but I can't go to bed until I do this. So I'll be right back. And next we are going to fill our drawer back up, but I found these really nice organizers off of Amazon. I'll link them below, but they are 100% like great. Like, I love the fact that I can stack these. They all have like an equal ratio where they can stack inside of each other. You can stack them multiple different ways. You can stack them on top of each other, build tiers. Like, I absolutely love these. I don't know what it is about a clean workspace, but for some reason it unclutters my mind. And whenever I'm having like a creative block, I just clean up my space, get the vibes back going, get all the energy back right. And I just love a good clean space. And now we're finally done. I'll see y'all in the next video.